Hello and welcome to a super simple way to make a t-shirt design on Teespring using Photoshop CC. First, you're going to go into File up here, Open. You can open any of these images here for your background, and then a piece of clip art, which I will cover that in another video too. Hit Open. Now on this file, you can pick your files up here. On this file, you're going to right click in this space. You're going to duplicate your layer right here. Then you're going to save it into this other file right here. You open two files, you're going to save it into the other file you opened. Hit OK. Now we're going to go over to that file right here. Now we're going to select the Move tool right here. And hold Control, and then grab this, move it wherever you want. And then we're going to make text with the Type tool right here. Click a space, then type any words you want. Then click right in this space here to finalize it, semi-finalize it. Select the Move tool again right here. Then we're going to hold Control down and this layer, select it. We're going to move this around. Then you can change the font size right here. You can pick from 6 to 72, or you can go beyond that by actually highlighting right in here and then type in a number. Make it a little smaller, 100, and hit Enter. That's it. And then you can, let's see, that's why you hold Control down. So Control Z to make that go back. Then we're going to select this and then hold Control, move this. I'm actually going to make that bigger again. 150. Control, move it. Then select this layer and this layer together, so hold Control, click here, and then you're going to right click, then you're going to go down to Merge Layers, then you're going to right click in this area here, select Pixels, then you're going to select this layer, you're going to Control C, copy, and then Control V, paste. Then you can hide this layer, and then you have your new design, and then we can outline it right here. You pick Stroke, then you can control the size of it right here, and make sure it's on outside. That's basically it for that, and then hit OK. And that's your design. Now we're going to save it as a PNG. Right up here. Save as in your file menu. Rename it. Select PNG first if you want, or after. Rename it so you don't erase your original file. Hit save. And then, okay, you're going to leave it as a large file unless it's required to make a smaller file. For certain websites, they want smaller file sizes. But for now, we'll leave it large. And then, that's it. You have your design that's saving right here. You see it. Now, once that's done, you can close these out, but don't save these because you don't want to ruin your original file. And also, when you're saving a PNG for a t-shirt, make sure the background's transparent like this. So no, we don't want to save that. And then I can close this out. And that's your lesson. And let's see, go here. Boom. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. If you know anybody that would find this video useful, please feel free to share it. Always check below for free patterns, or if you'd like to purchase this design but not necessarily make it, you can get it in the description below. You can also find frequently asked questions there too. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. Thanks.